Hey guys, let's see how to view a Tapo C211 camera on a Windows computer. Right now I'm using Windows 11 here on a Dell PC. It works with any Tapo camera, okay? The idea is just to have the camera working on your cell phone first, and then you're gonna use the same app here on your computer by using an emulator. So here you see that I have the BlueStack. That's the one that I'm gonna use. You just need to visit bluestack.com and download the BlueStack for Windows. And I have already here. So you see that's working. And then I just need to look for the Tapo app, okay? I'm gonna load the BlueStack here. Meanwhile, let me just take a look here on my cell phone. You see that I have my camera already working. So it's a pan and tilt camera, and I can move from my cell phone. And the idea is to use the same app back there on the BlueStack, right? You see here on the main screen that I have different cameras, so you can have a lot of cameras and devices running on the Tapo app at the same time. Back there, you see that I just load this BlueStack app. When you download and install, it takes a while to install, right? You don't need to create an account here, just need to log in with your Google account for the Play Store. And then you come here to search, so tap here and enter here Tapo. So just put here Tapo and hit enter to search. And just remember to come here to search in Google Play. You just need to do this, and then you can log in with your account. And here you see the TP-Link Tapo app. You just need to install it, and then you can log in with your account using Tapo as well. And then you're good to go. So super simple, the same way you can use here on the cell phone, you can use on your computer as well. So let's just wait to download. There we go. After downloading it, you just need to open. And you're gonna have the account for your app. Just confirm here, accept the privacy terms, continue, and log in with your Tapo account. There we go. Here's the email and password. And you're good to go. Here, just close the ads that shows up on the top. And you have your camera working, right? So it's here, Tapo C211, and have all other devices available here as well. So pretty simple. Let me just double click here. I can open the camera. There's some extra information here. Some explanation how the software works, and I'm good to go. So I have my camera here, my Tapo C211, and I can take a photo or a screenshot, manual recording, control the volume, do the voice call, talk, pan and tilt, everything that I do regularly with my cell phone I can do from here as well. You see that I'm controlling the camera right now, and I can select the viewpoints, and I can have more than one camera working here at the same time. If I have like more Tapo cameras, I can just have multiple of them working at the same time, right? I need to see some advertisement here with this BlueStack emulator, but that's the best way to use it, okay? Because it's simple to install and you can access your camera from anywhere. You're not limited to your home where the camera is located. You can travel, and just using the internet, you can just bring the BlueStack up, log in with the Tapo app, and use the same way you use with your cell phone, right? You can use with iPhone or Android or in your computer. Hope that helps. So if you like this video, just give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.